Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with Microsoft Store error 0x8e5e0643 on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that problem. First solution is go to search menu and type troubleshooting method guys. Opens up. Select the other troubleshooter and scroll down. Select the Windows Store apps to run. After finishing this troubleshooting guys, close the troubleshooters and let's move on to the second solution. Go to search menu and type WSRESET. Opens up run command, open it. So this will help you to clear the store cache guys. After finishing this, close out of here. The third solution is guys, go to search menu and type PowerShell. Opens up Windows PowerShell. Right click on it. Select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command guys, copy and paste it in. Tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in guys. So this will re-register the store guys. Press enter and close out of here. And after finishing third solution, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. For that, opens up File Explorer, open up, go to this PC and go to local disk C and go to Windows and search for software distribution folder guys. Double click on it. Select the download and data store, right click on it and delete it guys. After finishing deleted guys, data store is not deleting, try again. If not anything not deleted here, you just need to leave it guys, that's not problem. The fifth solution is, if this solution didn't work, the final last solution, go to Microsoft Store and log out guys, and please log in new account and you should good to go guys. Your problem is resolved at this point. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.